definitely on the table, aren't they?
Well, I think from a civil standpoint, remember, the burden of proof is much, much lighter here. In a civil situation, you have a preponderance standard, whereas with a criminal standard, you have to show beyond a reasonable doubt that this person put this dangerous animal, in the situation and put this poor woman at risk, which I totally disagree with, because this animal never, ever exhibited those types of symptoms. I will also say that from a civil standpoint, but ma'am, if you would just let me continue. If from a civil standpoint, I will say she may face some responsibility because of the fact that she administered a drug that's normally consumed by humans as opposed to taking this animal to the vet.
Mike, it doesn't matter whether this animal was drugged or not. This is a strict liability situation. She is absolutely liable civilly.
I couldn't disagree with you more.
That's the law. She is going to be facing absolute strict liability. It's like a dog bite, only a whole lot worse.
Yeah, I think the one thing that
I don't think that she's going to be facing strict liability, because in this situation, with the dog bite that you brought up, that's if you have a pet. You have a pet that's registered, and that pet bites someone. That's strict liability. But in this situation, we're talking what happened in this particular case. This animal was not registered. This animal was exempt. This animal was not legally characterized as a pet. And therefore, I think that what we need to do is look at how this animal was characterized as exempt under that particular statute that would have created
go ahead, Michelle, final word
of strict liability.
Okay, final word. Whether this animal was registered, medicated or not, this was a 200-pound exotic animal that she owned, that she treated like a person, and didn't realize or admit that this is something that was very, very dangerous. She is going to be facing civilly and also criminally, in my opinion.
Yeah,
and she should.
And just going by what Dave Salmoni said, he would not. He's been face to face with great white sharks. Would not want to be face to face with a chimp because they can be so aggressive. And he said it. Basically, she was harboring a loaded weapon. I think enough said on that front. We'll see what kind of charges you face, whether criminal or civil. Ladies, good discussion. Thanks again. Coming up, take a look at this. I can't believe this. Fans and players basically duking it out. This is after a high school basketball game. 11 people arrested. This is high school hoops. People pouring in from the stands just to get a few punches in. Unreal.
When fire or water damage strikes your business, call the cleanup team that's faster to any size disaster at 1-800-SERVPRO, like it never even happened.
Right now at Men's Warehouse, when you buy one designer suit, you'll get one free. That's right, 2 suits for less than the price of one at a department store. You're going to